Good morning, children. Welcome to your English class. Children, as you know, we are learning lesson 1, going for a picnic. Yes, where Samir, Sarah, their parents and grandparents are going for a picnic. They prepare snacks and playing things for the picnic. If you can see in the first picture, Samir and Sarah are packing, yes, buns and cakes in the boxes. In the second picture, grandmother is packing sandwiches. And in the last picture, Samir and his father packing all the things for the sandwiches. Okay? Now, in today's class, children, we will be doing textbook exercise of page number 16. Yes, if you can say, yes, if you can see, there is a picture given. Let's read the heading. Look at the picture and complete the sentences. Use word from the box. We have to look at the picture and based on the picture, we have to complete some sentences. Okay, let's look at the picture first. Yes, a family has gone on a picnic. Yes, they have gone on a picnic. If you can see in the picture, there is a girl with red t-shirt. Her name is Sanya. What is her name? Sanya. Sanya has gone for a picnic with her family. If you can see, Sanya is playing badminton with her mother. Look at here. Sanya is playing with her mother. Yes, they are playing badminton. This side, Sanya's brother and father are playing football. Okay. There are many tall trees. Okay. If you can see, grandfather and grandmother are sitting on a mat. Okay. Grandfather is enjoying tea. And there is a food basket on the mat. And there is a butterfly, there is a squirrel, and there are some beautiful flowers also. Now, what we are supposed to do? We have to look at the picture and we have to complete sentences and use words from the box. Okay, so let's see that. Okay, now look into this box. First word is badminton, badminton. Badminton means this. Sanya and her mother are playing badminton. Park, park. Park is the name, garden of a place. flowers, flowers. There are many beautiful flowers if you can see. father, father. He is father. Okay. brother, brother. The boy in yellow t-shirt is the brother of Sanya. trees, trees. These are tall trees. basket, basket. Here is a basket. Food is packed in this basket. mat. This is a mat. On the mat, who all are sitting? Grandparents are sitting. Now, look at the first blank. SANY, Sanya, AND and HER, her, FAMILY, family are in a park. So, which word we have used? Park. Sanya and her family are in the park. Where are they? They are in the park. Now look at the second. There are many tall and beautiful in it. What are tall? In this picture, what is tall? Trees are tall. And what is beautiful in this picture? Flowers are beautiful. Okay, so we have written, there are many tall trees and beautiful flowers in it. If you can see in the picture, there are many tall trees and beautiful flowers. So which word we have chosen from here? Flowers and trees. Okay. Next. Number 3. Sania's dash and dash are playing football. Who are playing football? Sania's brother and father. We will choose word father, brother. Okay. So what will be the answer? Sania's father and brother are playing football. If you look into the picture, father and brother are playing football. Okay. So Sania's father and brother are playing football. Now next. Number 4. Sania is playing dash with her mother. What is Sania playing? Look at the picture. Yes, Sania is playing badminton. B-A-D-M-I-N-T-O-N. Sania is playing badminton with her mother. She is playing badminton with her mother. Next. Her grandparents are sitting on a dash. Grandparents are sitting on a mat. So we have chosen word mat from here. So what will be the answer 5? Mat. Grandparents are sitting on a mat. Now the last sentence is, the food dash is near them. Okay. What is near grandparents? Food. What is this? Food basket. Here is a spelling of basket. B-A-S-K-E-T. So what will be the answer? The food basket is near them. Everyone is having fun. Okay. Let's read all the sentences that we have completed. Okay, wait. The first sentence is, Sania and her family are in a park. Second, there are many tall trees and beautiful flowers in it. 3 number, Sania's father and brother are playing football. 4 number, Sania is playing badminton with her mother. 5 number, her grandparents are sitting on a mat. Last, number 6, the food basket is near them. Everyone is having fun. Okay. So, we have looked at the picture. We have choose the correct word from the box and we have completed the sentences. Isn't it easy? Yes. Read the sentence carefully. Look at the picture. Choose the word correctly and complete the exercise of page number 16. Okay. We will meet in another class. Okay, with another textbook exercise. Till that time, take care of yourself.